सो कॅप्टन बिर्यातून स्टेटमेंट काढलं तेन्ना तुमी एक आयकूंक जाय पयलें केन्ना आयज एक हें जाल्या आर्ट जाल्या कला जाल्या रील करपाक एक सेंटेन्स काडप आनी रील करपाक घुसपोवपाक केन्ना गाता आसतना सगळे पैकी म्हणलं तें पयलीं म्हणलां आनी उपरांत म्हणलां त्या सेंटेन्सान म्हणपाचें आनी मागीर तुका कॉन्टेक्स्ट पडटलो कितें म्हणलें तो कॅप्टन बिर्यातो एक व्हेरी रिस्पेक्टेड नेवल ऑफिसर कॅप्टन बिर्यातो सर्वीस केला देशा खातीर कॅप्टन बिर्यातो कारगील वॉरा डेकोरेटेड वॉरियर असले मनशाक आनी कितें म्हणूं जाता केन्ना देशद्रोही जातले असले मनीस दीज आर पीपल हू लिव्ड and were ready to die for our nation. So first thing is, I want to say that this is a sign that the BJP is frustrated and they know that Captain Viriato is on his way to winning the seat and that is why this kind of allegations are being made. I have absolutely no fear of the complaint which has been filed. I have absolutely no tension about it. Let the election commission send a notice. We will give a reply and I will ensure that we knock out that complaint and we will disprove that what Captain Viriato has said is neither unconstitutional nor illegal nor anything contrary to model code of conduct. There is a second part in that issue, in that complaint, Tumi Poroela. The second part, besides talking about the constitution, they mulla that he has spoken on dual citizenship. And that they have got very shocked with the dual citizenship. And I think CM Munda that people are living in the Portuguese era or whatever, I don't know what are his exact words, but he has related that back to the Portuguese. I think somewhere down the line, everybody, including the complainants, have forgotten that LM Singhvi Commission appointed law by the NDA government when Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. And LM Singhvi after consultation with the Indian diaspora म्हणल्यार ते भायर आहात तेंचे consultation करून त्याने report दिल्लो to give dual citizenship आणि मागीर उपरांत government of India government gave OCI which was prior Congress had given PIO they came with the OCI. So you look at this and it was said at that time this is a step in the process of giving dual citizenship. आता 3 महिने फाटी आमचो मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स जयशंकरान एक स्टेटमेंट केला that the issue of dual citizenship is still alive. So therefore, if you forget what your leaders are talking on the national and international level, I think or तांकां बरोवन स्क्रिप्ट दिला तो कंप्लेन घालपाक बेश्ट हेडलायन्स करपाक and based on to try to see whether they can secure negative points against captain. But I think that this is completely misinterpreted, complete misreading of law and totally untenable. When the election commission gives us a notice, we will give an appropriate reply, but I can assure you captain will not be disqualified either during election process or even after he wins he will not suffer a disqualification.
सेकंड इश्यू असो आहे की तेंचे OCI कार्डाचेरूच की तो पयलीं तांकां एक इश्यू जाल्लो की जेन्ना सरेंडर करता तेन्ना तांकां प्रॉब्लम जातालो सो तो इश्यू रिजॉल्व केलो म्हणटा CM विथ अंडरटेकिंग.
ऑल येयला की मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्सान एक सर्क्युलर इश्यू केला मेमोरंडम इश्यू केला टू द पासपोर्ट ऑफिसर्स टू एक्सेप्ट रेवोकेशन. फर्स्ट थिंग I will tell you, I have a suspicion about that notification or that memorandum. It is dated 4th April. Why was it not told to the public all this time, even till the date when the election was announced? How suddenly magic on Ashkunai? My apprehension is fearing the loss of candidate in South Goa. They knew that Modi is coming. So Modi will now make an announcement. Tumkan dile ani ata sogle thadi matle as if to show that he has solved the issue. But the issue is far from being solved. तुमके याद आसतलें हांवें असेंब्लीन हिशोब काडलो हांवें असेंब्लीन रेजोल्युशन काडलो And that is what was the resolution. It was because people who had registered their birth in Portugal were having problem. Now, registration of the birth is giving them Portuguese citizenship. The question is, we had asked for a window period so they can take a decision, so that they should not suffer the consequences. That is secondary part. Secondary part of cancellation, surrender, or revocation to get an OCI card were different. Our main issue was, what about those who registered their birth but never acquired a passport, never intended to go to Portugal? So this is a matter which is yet to be resolved. कित्याक कितले आमचे लोक आसात जाणटे पासून registration केला, so automatically they were conferred with Portuguese citizenship. So this is an issue which is still not resolved. It is still pending.
तितून पॉलिटिक्स करता कशें दिसता तुमकां?
सो आतां राजकारण करूं जाय. कित्याक जाणा, आतां इलेक्शनां प्रायम मिनिस्टर जाता, तो म्हणटलो तुका हें दिलां तें दिलां. तुमकां आतां आमचे GST आसा, GSTचो व्हडलो 18% टॅक्स काडलेलो ऑन सर्टन आयटम्स. गुजराता इलेक्शन आसलो तेन्ना ते इलेक्शना पयले रिड्यूस केलो आनी गेल्यार तुका दिवाली गिफ्ट म्हणलें. यू अंडरस्टँड. आतां पेट्रोल प्रायस 200 रुपयांनी कितें, सिलिंडराचे प्रायस 200 रुपयांनी देंव येयलो आनी आतां सांगतलो दिस इज अ गिफ्ट फॉर यू. दिस इज ऑल इलेक्शन गिमिक्स. एंड आय फील दॅट दिस इज नथिंग मोर दॅन बिकॉज द इलेक्शन इज नाव गोईंग ऑन. दॅट इज वाय दीज थिंग्स आर बीइंग.
Okay.